Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss operator in PHP. As you can see, there are various type of operator available in PHP like arithmetic, like multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, assignment operator, string, increment, decrement, error control operator. But there are three more operator like comparison, logical operator and arrow operator. But we will not going to discuss the last three operators because these three topics are interrelated with the other topic like conditional statement, loop. So when we will discuss about conditional statement like if else and the loop like for each and do while or while loop, then we will cover these three operators. For in this video we are just going to discuss about the rest 5. So we are just going to create a file. Let name it as a cal.php. Okay, php tag, let a is equal to 20, v is equal to 40, and we want addition. Let create a new variable and we will just add a plus v. You can see some addition of two number is $C. Okay, cal.php. Addition of two number is 60. Here you can see 20 plus 40 is 60. If we put some space here, so we will get the output like this. Okay, we can also do the subtraction. $B minus $A. Subtraction of two number is D. For better readability, we will use a HTML tag here for new line. Here you can see subtraction of two number is 20. Okay, the same way we can do the multiplication also. Name it as a E. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see 800. If you multiply with both number, you will get the output as a 800. The same way we can get the division like this. Make it as a F. Okay, let's refresh it again. Here you can see division of two number is 2. If you divide 40 by 20, the output will be 2. There is one more operator like modulo, like as we done the division and we want to print the remainder of the division, so we can this, make name it as a G and percent sign. And you can see the module will be 0 because it is completely divisible. 40 can be completely divisible by 20, so module will be 0. Okay, so what are others? Like assignment operator. As you can see already, we are assigning the value to the variable. So this is which is known as a equals, which is it is working as a assignment operator here. In every line you can see we have add the two numbers and assign the result to the C variable. So assignment operator is working here. Okay. String operator, what is this? We have also covered it. When we want to add two string, okay, or when we want to concatenate, like we have a string and we added this with the variable, so we have used this dot operator, which is known as a string operator. Without this, the result will not get printed. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, the error already showing here. Syntax error, unexpected variable $C. So dot operator is important to adding or concatenating two string. Okay. What else? Increment and decrement operator. What they exactly are? Let's suppose sum is equal to 5. Increment, decrement both have two types of values: pre-increment, post-increment. So syntax of this plus plus sum. Okay, so when plus plus is coming before, so it's a pre-increment. When plus plus come after the variable, that is a post increment. Same pre-decrement or post decrement. Okay, let's try to echo in every time. What will happen? Echo sum, then a line break. Okay, then again sum, line break, then again sum, line break, then again sum, line break, then again sum, line break. Make it as a bit higher, like 15. Okay, let's see the output. See what happened. Initially the value is 15. The same is printing here. You can see 15. Okay, then there is a post increment. First it will use, then incremented. Okay, the second, so second, so this sum, what will it print? 16. Let me just comment it out the web code, because maybe that make some distraction. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 16, 15. Okay, so first one, so first time this is 15, so we have just print it out, showing us as it is, correct? 15. Second time I'm also pre-increment, means first it will increment, then it will assign, or then it will use. So the initial values was 15, now the pre-increment make it 16 and it will print as a 16. Here it's a post increment. Okay, first this variable used here, then it will get incremented. In the pre-increment it will get increased first, then it will get printed. So in this case what will happen, initially the value was 15. Okay, in the pre-increment it will become 16, then the 16 will print, but in the post increment the value will be 16 itself. The 16 will be print. After printing the 16, then it will increase to 17, correct? Here you can see 15, 16, 17. Here you can see 15, 16, see 17. Now we have the value of 17. Now this again the pre-decrement. What we are doing here? Pre-decrement. Concept is same. It will decrease first, then use. So from 17 it will become 16, the 16 will print here. See, the 16 is coming here. Okay, in the next line it's a post decrement. Post decrement is it will use it as it is, then will decrease. So what will happen, whatever the value it has, it will showing as it is, like 15. You can see the 15 values here. Okay, so these are the increment and decrement operator. What else? Error control operator, it's a at the rate. So this is the operator we can put in any line. So if we put at the rate in front of the any expression, and that expression is if showing any error, then that error will surpass, like we will not getting error in that particular line. So these it is operator which is used for like skipping some kind of a error which is coming in in a specific line. How we can do that? Giving you the example, last example I've given you on the constant. See, I'm just putting both two line here again. Let me, okay, so we will get an error here. Definitely we will get an error because we are trying to, what we are trying, we are trying to modifying the value of age, which is a constant, which is not allowed. Let me run it. We are not getting error. Why? Because we haven't enabled them. Let me enable them, then we will get the error. Okay, see, can constant age already defined in line number 78. It's a boring. So what will happen? Line number 78, we will put at the rate, which is error control operator. Now try. Error gone. Okay, now error gone. So this is error control operator. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.